and I am 20 years old. So I am going to tell you about my favorites. So my favorite first is, I will go first. My favorite color. So first, my favorite color is color blue. Second is color black. And the third color is color white. So I like these three colors because blue is represents of or a cloud. See, and the black represents of I don't know, but the black is my favorite colors. And also the the third color, which is the white, is I just like the white because it's the black and the white is good to be paired. And also I'm going to tell you about my favorite one. Actually I have only one favorite toy, and this is the lion. Say hi, lion. Hi. So this is my favorite toy. Her name, actually it's a girl, so her name is Aira. So this is Aira. So say hi to my Aira. Rar, rar. And also I have I'm going to share you guys about my piggy bank. I actually have a piggy bank, a little one, and this is my piggy bank. Actually this is good. It's because the color of my piggy bank is color blue, which is my favorite color, and the pig is also my favorite. Samot na pag gilechon siya, like it's so yummy. The panet, the skin of the lechon baboy is so yummy. And actually the good thing about this thing is we can put money inside a piggy bank. Gani. You can put money inside. Actually may laman siya, a little lang. I think 5 peso and 3 cents. 5 peso and 75 centavo. See? There's something inside. So, this is my piggy bank. Hi! My piggy bank saying hello to you guys. And also, so I'm going to tell you about okay, this is also what I like. Actually, gusto ko palagi nagsasandal. Katulad ngayon, I am wearing a sandal. This is a sala. I actually have a lot of sandals inside my room. So I'm going to show you guys my outfit and my sandal. Ching! So, yeah, I like wearing sandals. And also guys, I love putting polvos. Yes, powder. I love putting powder in my neck. In my neck. Just like this. See? Especially the weather right now, it's because it's so mainit na, and powder is one of the best thing to ease the heat for me. So it smells so good. Actually guys, I'm in the Hedin Hod right now. Yes, a Hedin Hod. Actually it's closed already. So that is for today. So that is for today guys. Thank you and bye bye.